Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulwa TV Tech. Today I want to show you a trick of how you can transfer files between your phone and your computer without using any cables. You don't need any data transfer cables to do this. All you need is the internet connection. So you just head to your computer, and I am going to use this image I have on the desktop. Let me open it so that we see the image we are going to deal with. So this is my thumbnail that I do for Lulwa TV channel. So this is the image we are going to transfer. So all you need to do is open your browser. You open your browser from the computer. For me, I have opened my Chrome. So you search for snapdrop.net. I have the shortcut here. However, you can just search it at the search bar. You write snapdrop.net. So once you have written that, you click enter. Then this is the interface on the laptop. Then you head to your phone. You also go to your browser. You search for the same snapdrop.net. So I'm also going to open my Chrome from the phone, then search for snapdrop.net. Once you have opened it on both gadgets, you wait for them to connect. They connect automatically. However, here I'm using different internet connections, so I will need to change to the same Wi-Fi that the PC is connected to, because if you are using different internet connections, it will not connect. So here I've changed to Wi-Fi. Now you are going to see they will connect. Here it has shown, and this is the name how you get the PC, and this is the name that will show on the PC from the phone. So from here you just grab the image or the file, any type of file, you drop it. So I'm transferring from PC to phone, so you can see how fast that one has gone. You just save and save. You can even edit the file name if you wish to. So this is how fast it can be. You can also click direct from this phone icon on the PC. Then it will open the folder or your file folders in the PC when you click direct from here. So you can look for the file that you want to transfer. Once you click open, then it will transfer, and you still do the same. You save and save. This is how fast you can transfer files with this Snapdrop website, and it's free of charge. All you need is to have the same internet connections. And if you found this video useful, please do subscribe to Lulwa TV Tech, and see you in the next one. Thank you.